Is I did not want this back in my car. Hey everyone. So we found a little issue in the Mercedes. Can't really explain it, but the air intakes are shot on both sides. And I came to realize that, I don't know, I'm just not impressed with Mercedes right now on how they could have done this. Let me show you. So as you can see, I removed the intake. That's the original, and it's got a hole in it. And the other one's even worse. So I just ripped it off, and with the help of DomIY, we're MacGyvering a mod, a performance mod. Because mind you, the car's been running great, but I've been losing a lot of air on the intakes. It's got dual intakes. It's a V8. So these are the charge pipes from the intercooler, which is here. That's the intercooler down there. And then air comes in through here. Thus the name air intake. So the thing is shot. So we're going to do a little quick mod that Dom came up with and take care of this situation pronto. Whatever it is, I did not want this back in my car. They're actually not expensive, considering it's a Mercedes, but also considering it's Mercedes, this is garbage. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Mercedes. I'm sorry, Mercedes owners. This is garbage. So we're going to do something that will be a fix, and I think that it should work. I'm sorry. I just can't get over the garbage that they put in this car. This was what was on this side. Okay? This was all falling apart, and I have no clue why they're even using this material. It's just terrible. So that's going to be done with, and I was not going to put replacements of this, whatever it is, back in my car. I don't even think this is like environmentally sound. So I'm done with this. Mercedes, you kind of failed. That was like an epic fail with this stuff. Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. Well, we left off about a week ago. This is the update or the conclusion to the intake fix, upgrade, mod, all in one. So last week we I discovered that my intakes on the Benz were shot, and I was very disappointed. I had almost a bit of a meltdown. DomIY came to the rescue, gave me an idea, and we made the most of it. So, trip to Home Depot, some VHT paint, a little patience, zip ties. Not sure if I increased horsepower or what. I'm sure I was losing a little horsepower with that situation. I don't know how to measure horsepower. I haven't dynoed it. It does feel a little peppier. It does feel smoother, the acceleration. But the main thing was that I got it fixed, and that was bothering me. And I think it looks kind of cool. It's been a week, and I thought I'd just give the conclusion, like I said. And but first, let's start with startup. Love the way this thing sounds on a startup. Let's bring her to life. All right, bringing her to life. There she goes, waking up. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm very happy with the upgrade or fix. At least I addressed it, and I'm calm now. The car's been running for a week with this change, and very happy. So hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to share. I'd be happy to weigh in on any questions you might have, or what how we went about this. Me and my buddy DomIY. Till next time. Thanks for tuning in again, and I'll see you soon. Bye, everyone.